Hey guys, welcome back. It's Shelby, and today I am going to be trying out for the first time and reviewing the Boswell glue gun. So I received this as a gift, and it was such a thoughtful gift because I just burnt my hands again. And any of you guys who have seen me crafting for a while knows that I have actually sustained injuries from this baby. This was my glue gun. Don't judge, I use it a lot. I know what it looks like. I got it from Michael's years ago. And I feel like initially it was a medium temp glue gun. I don't actually know that. It might be high temp. It feels like high temp. This thing goes liquid molten lava, and the nozzle's covered in glue. But I had just burnt myself again with this glue gun, and I was complaining about it. And then in the mail came this. So very sweet, very, very thoughtful present. And I'm so excited to use it because this is like a professional glue gun. Look at this. Look at that. Not even a comparison. So this is the second one of these I've ever had. The first one, I used it until oblivion, but this is like a real glue gun, and I'm so excited for it. So it came with a little instruction manual, and it came with all of this. So glue sticks, and they're thicker than the glue sticks I have. So I do have glue sticks for my mini gun, but these are proper thick glue sticks versus the ones for my mini glue gun. You can just see the diameter of the circle. It's just much larger. It's also not transparent, but whatever. It came with the gun. I'm so excited for it. This is a lot of glue. And then it came with these different little nozzles, and this right here. I'm so excited for this. Ready? Look at this. This is a silicone cover. This is going to protect me from being burnt. I love this. I'm so excited for this. I really am. I'm talking in a weird voice, I don't know why. But I'm so excited for this. So this comes with different tips, and it's got a little wrench, and you just kind of unscrew them. So this is your normal glue gun tip, obviously. It's a little cone. But look at everything it comes with. I can get in little projects and stuff and do it. And it says you can, you're not supposed to do it with your hand, you're always supposed to do it with the wrench, but it's never been used and it's not plugged in. So it says once it's been used, if it's glued in there, heat it up for 1 minute and then use the wrench and wear gloves. But basically I'm just gonna try really hard not to burn myself on this. And I'm so excited, but look at that. I could glue in little spaces. I've got all sorts of things. So this one, it's a little duck bill. I can glue nice flat. I can do, ooh, it's got a little screwdriver in there too. I don't know what that's for, but that's fun. You could probably fix your glasses with this. And then just all these things, tiny little glue one. So perfect. Smaller extender if you don't need it so long. And all these just came with it. I think I showed you the small one. And then these two, which I think are just different diameter holes, but this is awesome. This is so cool. This is a legit glue gun. I'm so excited for it. We're gonna try it out. We're just gonna do a basic hot glue project just to make sure it works. You guys know I have gems. I love gems. Basically, I'm gonna be making some glam hair accessories. I've got bobby pins, hot glue gems. You know where this is going, but we're just gonna use this to see how the glue gun works. And also I broke my pearl barrette the other day and I'm sad. So I need new gem bobby pins, and that's what we're gonna make today. And we're gonna try this out, and I'm so excited. So yeah, here we go. All right, so before we even get started, I'm just gonna go in there with a new tip, not this one. Since we are working with bobby pins, we need something really small and delicate and detailed, and this gun has that. Look at that, perfect. So that's going to be the tip that I try the inaugural gluing with. Very excited. Tighten it up with the wrench. This is so fancy, I can't even get over it. Look at the difference. I'm so excited. All right, here we go. So I'm gonna plug this in. It says it takes, I don't know, between 1 and 3 minutes to heat up. I wasn't paying that much attention, but I did read the instructions. Is this a little stand? Oh my gosh, it comes with its own little stand. I love this gun. Yep, this is definitely a stand. So we are going to take this off right here and attach it right here. I didn't even know that. And swoop that right into place. Boom, look at that. It's got its own stand. And love it. Just to protect myself and my fingers. So very excited. We're gonna get some glue in here. We're gonna heat this up, and we're gonna make some hair accessories. Packing up everything I'm not using. I haven't plugged it in yet. I'm gonna put the glue in the back, just like that. And then it's says, adjust the temp dial to the ideal temperature that you want. We recommend 180 degrees Celsius on first use. So this is cool. My old gun did not have that. There is a little dial on the handle to adjust, and I bet that is what the screwdriver is for. Figured out the mystery. And let's say 180 or 160. One sec. 180. Okay. We're just gonna go doop, straight up and down. I'm probably not gonna go much hotter than that because I always burn myself. But if that is enough to melt the glue, perfect. All right, the glue is in, the temperature's set. It is resting on a paper plate, just like that. And I'm going to plug it in and then kind of prep my station to get going. So that is heating up, and we're going to pull out our gems. I got these on Amazon and they're fabulous. I got all blue ones, and of course they like fell in my hand silver side up, but they're really good. They're chunky because they're meant to be like sewn onto clothing. But I just think they'd be like really cool. When I got them, I thought, oopsie. When I got them, I thought I was gonna make like a crown or a necklace with them. Like, how cool is that? But we're gonna try it out on our bobby pins first. So I'm gonna grab a few I like. I like the teardrop one. And then, ooh, they have mini teardrop ones. That's really cute. Mainly I just want this to look like super awesome and bougie. But mainly like all blue, just because that's what I bought. Why did I buy all blue? Because for some random reason, the all blue ones were on sale. Yep, that's how I make my purchasing decisions, like everyone else. Square one's kind of cool. I'll do square one. And then like they have the tiny little gems too. So I'm just gonna do a couple, just like that. That's nice. We're gonna start with that on the end. And we're gonna get our very, very small little tip. Look at that. It like matches. It matches. Oh my God, I'm so excited. All right, here we go. We're gonna try, ooh, a little bit of smoke. Wow, can you see that? I don't know if the camera's catching that, but like a little bit of smoke. I don't know if that's supposed to happen or not. I mean, it's the very first initial time I'm using it and I'm going pretty slow, so. You know what, maybe the very first bit of glue should not go on the bobby pin. Look at that. Is it showing up on camera? Oh my gosh. That's kind of crazy. A little bit crazy. Okay, I can feel resistance. I think the glue is in there. I'm going to be extruding it through a tiny little opening, so it's gotta be pretty hot. We'll see how it works. Oh! Oh my God, that's amazing. Look at that. Okay, cool. It works, it works, it works awesome, actually. So this is great. I want it on the flat side, do just a little bit right there. But like enough that the thing will hold. So I put a fair amount on. I'm so excited. Look at that precision. Oh my God, I'm in love with this gun. All right, so I decided on this. We're just gonna push it flat on the back like that. Look at that, oh my gosh, you guys. And it's not like hot glue falling all over my fingers, burning everything because it's a tiny little tip. I am in love with this hot glue gun. I'm gonna say it. It's my new best friend. This thing is awesome. It's a crafter's dream, I'll tell you that. So I'm just gonna put some hot glue just down the length of this bobby pin. Oh my God, I can't believe I can even do that. Look at that. Look at that precision bead. Oh, I'm in love. I am in love. All right, we're gonna put this tiny little gem right there. Don't burn yourself, don't burn yourself. All right. And then, yeah, why not a little teardrop? We'll do that there. Actually, I just touched the glue and it's not that hot, so that's quite nice. And then we'll do, there we go, there we go. Look at that. Let's clean up the wispies. Look, beautiful. Nice and stable. I'm hitting pretty hard. I don't know if you can tell. But yeah, they are well adhered. Look at the barely any mess on the back. Ah, this is so good. It opens and the glue dried pretty quickly, so. In love. Oh my God, you guys, get yourself one of these. So good. At the very least, like don't have one of these anymore. It's not worth it. The pain, it's not worth it. But yeah, brand new gun, super in love with it. That's my review. I hope you guys like it. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you here again next time. Bye for now. Look at this. It's beautiful. It's perfect. It's so user-friendly.